You see how there's no one on top? If this were a bin of red wigglers, the entire top would be covered with worms. But these are earthworms from a compost pile. Put them in this old box, and I made the bedding out of sand, silt, and clay that I sourced from the property. I did this because all of my red wigglers were killed. Just for fun, just to see if it would work. A year ago, I set up a bin full of earthworms instead of red wigglers.
Miles and miles on the clear blue skies. We drive straight as
Wow, look how low, look how far down it goes. Look at that. These are earthworms, you guys. All from a compost pile. It just amazes me. So if you're wondering if you can make worm castings using earthworms, yes, you can. I hope this encourages you. I don't have a lot of scraps, but this is coffee. This is some old, I don't even know what this, prunes or something. If you're curious about how to farm with earthworms, check out the playlist at the end of this video. I go into detail about how to make worm castings using earthworms. Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for watching. See ya.